Let's add transitions in video clips. So this is my first clip, this is my second clip, and this is my third clip. Now I'm going to add transitions between these two clips. So all you have to need, hover over on these two clips and right click on it, click on apply default transitions, and a default transition will apply. And now if I play the timeline, as you can see, a transition showing. And if you want to add different transitions, then go to effects and expand video transitions. Here you will find a bunch of different categories transitions. You can just go ahead and easily add any of the transitions between your two clips, just like this. And now if you want to change transition duration, just click on the transition and you can easily increase or decrease your transition duration from here. And then in this effect control center, here you will find your transition. You can also select your end or start transition location. That's it.